Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for every PC user, checking the health of your SSD in Windows 11. First things first, let's open up the Windows 11 interface. From your desktop, click on this PC from the desktop. This will open up File Explorer, showing all your drives. Now, locate your SSD. Right-click on your SSD drive and select Properties from the drop-down menu. A new window will pop up. Here, navigate to the Tools tab. Under the Tools tab, you'll see an option called Optimize and Defragment Drive. Click on it. Don't worry, we're not actually going to defragment the drive. Instead, click on Optimize. Now, Windows will analyze your SSD and provide its health status. If it says OK, then your SSD is in good shape. However, if it indicates any issues or warnings, it's time to take action. You might want to consider backing up your data and consulting a professional for further assistance. And that's it. Checking the health of your SSD in Windows 11 is simple and important for maintaining the performance and longevity of your system. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.